What are the benefits of hiring professional upholstery cleaners? Are you looking forward to having the upholstery of your home or office in Melbourne? You need to hire the Melbourne Upholstery Cleaners. It will ensure that the upholstered furniture is cleaned in the best way. Besides, it has other benefits. It provides longer life to your upholstered furniture. It results in a richer and improved look and feel. It ensures a refreshing, clean odor. It ensures that you enjoy a safer cleaning service. Thus you see, when you hire the best Melbourne upholstery cleaning service, you enjoy so many benefits. What better name can you opt for than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Feel free to call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.